Hey guys, Jeremy with Signs by Van. We get the question a lot of how do you finish off the screws in the front of a sign? Because a lot of people don't like seeing them. Sign makers want to hide them as much as possible, and especially clients don't like seeing them as well. So just a little quick tip. There's typically two different types of screw heads. You can have one that's got a little bit bigger head on it. We like to use these, and I mean they're tiny. It's like a 3/16 inch head, and they countersink really well into the sign. So I've got a bunch of signs that are going out today out of the shop, and I wanted to show you real quick. So what you want to do is you want to countersink the head of the screw by about a 1/16 of an inch below the grade of the sign. And what we do is we take a little Q-tip and we preload it, and this is all bare, ultra premium water-based paint, and you're going to have it on there to where it's like ready to almost drip off. You want too much on there. And then you come right over here, very carefully, and you just dab it on there. You don't want to paint it on because you're going to have brush stroke marks in your really perfect finish. So if you go here and put just enough, you're going to see that that literally almost disappears. When you go to the next one, you might have to preload a little bit more paint on there, and that's totally okay. I'm going to go over here and just get just enough so it literally falls off the edge of the Q-tip right into the hole, and you have an absolutely perfect paint match, and it matches perfectly to the grade because we went a little bit lower and we filled it up with that paint. If you guys have any other questions or things that you want to know about how we do little tips and tricks, give us a call at 831-663-2663, or go to our website, or go to our YouTube page where we have a ton of really cool videos on how we do some of the things around here at Signs by Van. Thanks.